Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable cross-device withdrawal verification on Bitget account. So first we're going to go to the app, then click on the profile icon on the top left corner. Then again click on our accounts. Then here go to security. Then once you scroll downwards, click on withdrawal settings. Then as you can see, it's turned off. So the cross-device withdrawal verification, we're going to turn it on. So once you turn it on, you can verify on the app whether the withdrawal address entered on the website has been tampered with to avoid hijacking. So this is how you turn it on. So once you're done, you guys could go and check our playlist and how-to tutorials. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.